Hey guys, it's Abby with Smartass Sass, and I am here to show you what was in the November subscription box. So this month's theme was In Your Dreams. So as always, we have a booklet that outlines everything you're getting, who it came from, where you can get more of it, if there are care instructions, anything like that. And then it also tells you next month's theme. So December's theme is I'm So Fancy. So it's gonna be all celebration related stuff. There are going to be some sparkles. There is no holiday specific stuff, so it's perfect for anyone on your list or for you if you need to treat yourself over the holidays. All right, let's dig in. So first I'm going to show you this month's spoiler item, which was one of the spoilers, which was this candle from Fun Club. And it is called the Calm Ya Ass Down candle. And the scent is lavender and silence. And it's a soy 9-ounce candle. And it smells amazing. Honestly, I can't bring myself to burn mine because I just don't want it to go away. So I just smell it sometimes. All right, next up is an item from Emily McDowell and Friends. This is a decorative door hanger. Well, let me show you what it says first. So it says, on this side it says, before you knock, ask yourself, did I bring snacks? And then on this side it says, do not enter unless you're a pony or a piece of cake. So this is bamboo. So it's really nice quality. It's not, bendy or anything like that. I think it's a super cute decoration, but it would also make a really fun gift for somebody on your list. So next up we have a sticker from Naughty Florals. This is our first time working with her and we are so excited. We're already scheming up another collaboration, but the sticker says be nice or go away. And she has tons of designs with these gorgeous watercolor flowers and funny phrases. So this sticker is waterproof, scratch resistant, and dishwasher safe. So if you put it on a water bottle, it'll be fine. All right, next up is another spoiler item from this month. So it is the luggage tag from Hang Accessories. So it is silicone, first of all. So it's really bendy and pliable. It's not gonna get torn or anything like that when it gets tossed around in baggage, TSA, in baggage claim, I don't know. When it's on the move, it's not gonna get damaged. It's also a really good size, which I like. So you will definitely be able to see it on your bag. So there's that. All right, next I wanna show you two items that we got from Little Moon Essentials. So these items both have the same scent, which is Tired Old Ass. So this one is a little 1-ounce mineral bath sample. There's that in this cute little pouch. And then this one is a exhaustion mist spray. So you spray it on your face and it wakes you up. It really works and the smell is amazing. So these are from Little Moon Essentials. They are based in Colorado. Okay, next up we have a pair of socks. It came, I already took it out of the packaging, but it came in this little sleeve. And we made these. Smartass and Sass, Kim and I designed these. But it has this fun galaxy print on both sides, very colorful, and it says In Your Dreams on both sides of both socks. These are one size fits most, and if I had to guess, I'd say maybe women's size 5 to 9.5, but it's a really stretchy knit, so I think it would fit larger sizes as well. So, socks. All right. Another item that we designed for this month, again, I took it out of the packaging. It came in this cute little box, but it is a custom spoon. So it is laser engraved and it says Spoon Me in a scripty font on the top. So the top is engraved. This is made out of food grade stainless steel. The bottom is like a rounded handle that's kind of a brushed look to it, and it's really nice quality. It's like heavy, if that makes sense. So Spoon Me. This was a lot of people, this was their favorite item this month. Okay, and last up, so every month we've been doing a collectible sticky note. For 6 months, collectible sticky note. And we decided we wanted to change it up and do a collectible pen for the next 6 months. So this month's collectible pen is this maroon colored Bic Click pen, and it says Naps, Necessary Adult Peace Sessions on both sides. And what's funny is when we first designed this and came up with this phrase, I was like, yeah man, adults need naps too. Like, time to relax, and really I think probably the true meaning is if you have kids and they sleep, you get some peace, but I think it works either way. And then it also came with this cute little packaging as well, and we designed just a little surprise inside. When you open it up, it says hibernation mode activated. So that was everything in this month's box. And then as always, we have a shirt subscription as well, so let me show you that. This month's design says, today was canceled, today has been canceled, go back to bed. It is a heather purple colored shirt, and as always, it's our soft blend Bella and Canvas tee. So we have some of the shirts and some of the boxes left. So if you have any questions, you can email us. It's info@smartassandsass.com. Thanks, bye.